Welcome to the Trails at Shurtz Canyon in Cedar City, Utah, a fresh take on home design nestled in the base of Utah's iconic red rock and mountain landscapes. This is a community built for adventure and peace alike, with trailheads, campsites, and national parks just minutes from your door. Here we're taking a closer look at the Shasta floor plan, 1,574 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a versatile 3-car tandem garage. Modern, low-maintenance exteriors give every home a clean, contemporary feel while standing up to the elements. Step inside and you're greeted by an open hallway that sets the tone for a light-filled, smartly designed space. To the left, a flexible room that works beautifully as a home office or guest bedroom. Across the hall, another spacious bedroom, and throughout the home, you'll find built-in closet systems that come standard. The large bathroom features plenty of room to share with a linen closet that can be optionally enclosed for a more seamless look. Down the hall, the laundry room is anything but an afterthought, complete with countertop space, cabinets, and storage to keep everything organized. Rounding the corner, the space opens up to the heart of the home, a bright, open-concept living room and kitchen that invites gathering, relaxing, and everyday living. Customize the layout by extending the patio wall for more space, adding a fireplace, or incorporating an acoustic slat feature wall for texture and style. The kitchen includes a designated dining nook and a spacious island, and if you'd prefer, the sink can be centered right there. Add a Costco door to the pantry for easy unloading and enjoy the clean elegance of Euro-style cabinets to the ceiling, which are included as standard. You choose the finishes, from backsplash to countertops and everything in between. The 3-car garage offers an optional tandem bay, perfect for a home gym, garden station, or side-by-side storage. Back through the mudroom, we arrive at the primary suite, a bright and peaceful retreat. The ensuite bath features a split dual vanity, curbless walk-in shower, and a large walk-in closet, with finishes and lighting that you get to personalize. The Shasta at Trails at Shurtz Canyon offers modern living with room to breathe, and the kind of lifestyle where weekend adventures are just a turn of the key away. Reach out to get your lot reserved and customized home started. Let's take your lifestyle to the next level.